Today we will gonna start doing some questions which is based on rationalization. See, here are some questions. One by one I will gonna solve it. See here, the first question: if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. We are having two methods to solve this. Okay, both the methods I will tell you, and afterwards we'll use only one method for further questions. Okay, so here the solution. See, let x is equals to 2 plus root 3. What they said, x square plus 1 by x square. Here is x, we need to find 1 over x, right? Just find 1 by x, that is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Directly just rationalize its denominator by multiplying the rationalizing factor, that is 2 minus root 3, and here also 2 minus root 3. Okay, as we have discussed in the previous videos also, 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus 3. Okay, so 2 minus root 3, 4 minus 3, and I got 2 minus root 3 upon 1, which is equals to 2 minus root 3. Now, as the question says, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so apply, just substitute the value of x square, that is 2 plus root 3 whole square plus 2 minus root 3 whole square. Okay, now 1 by 1, just what you can do, just expand it by a plus b whole square and a minus b whole. See here, I have expanded it by a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, that is a 2 square plus root 3 whole square plus 2 into 2 into root 3, plus similarly for this 2 square plus root 3 whole square minus 2 into 2 into root 3, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, okay, 2 square is equal to 4, root 3 square is 3, similarly 2 to the 4 root 3 I got from here. 2 square is equal to 4, root 3 square 3 minus 4 root 3. Now this two things will be cancelled out, plus minus minus. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14. So 14 is our. Okay, here we go for the alternative method. See here also you need to take let x is equals to 2 plus root 3. Similarly you need to apply, you need to find 1 by x, that is 1 by 2 plus root 3. Need to rationalize the denominator by the rationalizing factor. Here is 2 minus root 3. Okay, 2 minus root 3 upon 2 square minus 3, that is 2 minus root 3 upon 1, which is equals to 2 minus root 3. Here we got. Now the method works. See, now we need to find x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, so one formula you need to remember, that is x plus 1 by x whole square, means the same, a plus b whole square, that will be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, means 2 into x into 1 by x. So here it will cancel out and we are left with x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, right? So from here we could able to get the formula of x square plus 1 by x square by just transfer this 2 to left hand side, or you can say transpose this 2 to left hand side. See, so the formula we got for x square plus 1 over x square is x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. Just always remember this thing. Now we're going to apply the same here, that is x we know, 1 over x we know. To apply in this formula we need to find x plus 1 over x. See, first of all find x plus 1 over x. X is 2 plus root 3 and 1 over x is 2 minus root 3. Okay, so root 3 cancel out, we are left with 4. Now apply this formula to predict the answer, that is x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. So x plus 1 over x is 4. 4 square minus 2. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 2 is 14. So 14 is our answer. You can check the answer with the previous method, that is same. I hope both the methods for doing this type of question it is clear to you. Let's move to another question. Here is the second question of the same type. Now you can easily find this also. See, what you need to do is let x is equals to 3 minus 2 root 2. Need to find 1 over x, that is 1 upon 3 minus root 2. Multiply it with the rationalizing factor, that is 2 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 root 2 is equals to 9. 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2. 9 minus 2 root 2 square is 8. So we are left with 3 plus 2 root 2. We know the formula. X square plus 1 over x square is equals to x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. Make it equation number 1. Now need to predict the value of this. X plus 1 over x. X is 3 minus 2 root 2 and this is 3 plus 2 root 2. This will be cancelled out. We are left with 6. Just substitute the value of this x plus 1 over x, which is equal to 6, in equation number 1. So we can able to get the value of this is equals to 6 square minus 2, that is 36, minus 2, that is 34 is the answer. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay students, now we are left with some questions based on rationalizing factor, which is very important from examination point of view. Okay, so here the question, if x is equals to root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 and y is equals to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2, then need to find the value of x square and y square. See, the things is very clear. Maybe it is in your mind that what is this? It's very easy, because we could able to square this thing and this thing. Means first of all we need to rationalize it, and after we can easily square it and then add. Okay, it is quite easy to say, but it's quite little bit difficult to solve. So let's see here the solution. See, I have taken let x is equal to this thing, rationalizing the denominator. X is equals to root 3 plus root 2. We know that how to rationalize the denominator by multiplying with its rationalizing factor. Here the rationalizing factor will be root 3 plus root 2. Okay, with rationalizing factor, that is root 3 plus root 2. So here you can write root 3 plus minus root 2, and you can multiply this thing with the factor. We are left with root 3 plus root 2 whole square, and a plus b, a minus b, means root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. And here we are left with these things, and we can expand this by a plus b whole square, that is root 3 square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 upon 3 minus 2. So root 3 whole square is 3. 3 plus 2 plus 2 root 6 upon 1. So we are here we are left with 5 plus 2 root 6, which is the value of x. Okay, now next thing we need to do is same for y. Okay, so I'm just doing the same by rationalizing the denominator, or multiplying it by its rationalizing factor. Root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Here again root 3 minus root 2 whole square. Here by expanding this thing, I could able to get root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 into root 2 upon 3 minus 2. So 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6, that is 5 minus 2 root 6. So here I would able to get the value of x is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6, and the value of y is 5 minus 2 root 6. Now see the question, that is x square plus y square we need to find. We need to square this both. Okay, and then add root 6 whole square plus 5 minus 2 root 6 whole square. Okay, just add, just expand it again. See, 5 5s are 25 plus b square, that is 2 root 6 whole square, plus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6 plus 5 square plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 2 into 5 into 2 root 6. Okay, so here we can get 24 plus again this 10 to the 20 root 6 plus 25 plus 24 minus 20 root 6. We can cancel out these things. We are left with 25 plus 20, this 49, and here also 49, and we got 98, which is the answer. Okay, similarly we will discuss another type of question based on rationalization. So here we go. Okay, so here is a very important type of question which we are left in the topic of rationalization. See, if x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3, 1 upon 2 minus root 3, find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. See, it looks very easy that we could able to substitute the value of x here and could able to get the answers, but sometimes it's very complicated. So never ever do this question by just substituting the value in it. So what's the correct process? See, first of all, already we have x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3. First of all, rationalize it by rationalizing the denominator by its rationalizing factor, that is 2 plus root 3. Okay, so we are left with 2 plus root 3 and a minus root b and a plus root b. It is a square minus b, that is 2 square minus 3. So here I left with 2 plus root 3, 4 minus 3, which is equals to 2 plus root 3 upon 1, which is equals to 2 plus root 3. It is the value of x. Now value of x we got 2 plus root 3. Now what I can do is I can transpose this 2 to this side, and I left with x minus 2 is equals to root 3. Now do squaring both side. X minus 2 whole square is equals to root 3 whole square. So here it will be x square plus 4 minus 4x is equals to 3, right? So by just simplifying it, I could able to get x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. From here I can get one equation, that is x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, now here you could able to get some values, that is x square is equals to 4x minus 1 and x cube is equal to 4x square minus x. Now let's come to the question what they said to find, that is x square minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Sorry, x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. Just substitute the value of x square what you have found here. It is 4x square minus x minus 2x square. These things will be as it is, right? So 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square. It is 8x square. Sorry, 8x plus 5. You can take the 2 common from here. We are left with x square minus 4. Yes, 4x plus 5. And we know that x square minus 4x will be minus 1. See, we are having the equation, this one. So from here, if I take the value of x square minus 4x, I could able to get minus 1. So I will put this thing here, and I got minus 1 plus 5, which is equals to minus 2 plus 5, and I got the answer 3. Okay, It has also an alternate solution that directly just find the value of x, and afterwards you can put in the x cube and x square and all. That is, I think that is a easy one. You can do that also. Okay, this is your choice. Thank you.